What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, P Fire, aka Purple Pimpernel, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crepes. So guys, you see what we have here already, you know what I mean? You see the boxes. You've already seen me do these shoes, you know, you've seen me do the LG2, you know what I mean, the first iteration. You saw the camp out video, etc. So you've seen that shoe. Let's just put that there. And of course you've seen me do the second iteration of the LG2. No real camp out, a cheeky little video there, but not really a camp out. So you've seen that, of course, voila. But what you haven't seen is me do, oops, you see the papier right there, you see what that is, and I'm sure you can guess. You don't have to wait for me to do the reveal, but voila, boom boom boom, yes sir, rebar. Guys, I finally got the LG1. I got these I don't know, a few months ago, but I finally got them. Yeah, super happy. Got them off a guy on eBay. Paid an actual good price. The prices were going crazy at one point, but you know, I actually got these for a really good price. So patience always pays off. You know, I know some people don't, you know, they say, oh, this shoe, you can't really wear it. You wear it once and then it's messed up. Not really true. You just got to look after it. Don't wear it with any jeans that are going to bleed, you know what I'm saying? Look at the crop circle right there. You know, so this video, I'm not going to do the review video of this. You know, plenty of people have seen it. I'll give you a little quick close-up in case you haven't seen it. This is an Adidas Padham, which they use for the LG1. Super nice, of course. You already know what it is. Got LG on the tongue, as they all do. Let me just show you that there. Yeah, so what I'll do is let me just give you a couple differences between all three, and then we can call it a day. So of course, here was the first shoe right there. Beautiful, again, super soft suede, really nice. I think the original price was something really simple, like 110 or something, 120. It definitely wasn't crazy, you know, but then they ended up going for free, 350s, 250s. You know, I didn't pay that, so I was so glad, you know what I mean? That was the one, really nice. You know, people were saying that's not as wearable because, again, with the coloration and how easy it is to stain. But again, you know, you wear these every once in a while. You don't wear them all the time. I'm waiting to bring these out in summer. I wasn't going to wear these until I got this. Just, I'm funny like that, you know, wearing the LG2s. I ain't got the ones, you know. Am I a bit of a fraud? No, but you know, now I've got them. These are gonna get worn, but these are probably going to be my go-tos, you know what I mean? They look super comfy. I think you can get everyday wear out of these, do you know what I mean? I'm loving the green, you know, super nice. Maybe these will be the everyday because they don't have the green and they can go with more things. Of course, you got the crop circle there, like I said, looks a bit like Cortez if you're looking at the rival brand, Nike. Yeah, really nice. A good shoe, guys. Like, you know, having them all together is always a good, you know, a good look. Our kid, you know, 3 shoes. He's done well, isn't he? He's done well, our Liam, you know. Obviously the Knowles, he's been having a shoe here and there everywhere. So I wonder if they'll do anything new with Knoll. I think it makes sense. I think the next Spezial should definitely be with Knoll. And then you can sort of have a shoe off, so to speak, you know. Yeah, really dope. Loving the gum sole, of course. Those of you that have seen the video, check the videos if you haven't seen the videos. But yeah, guys, I just thought I'd show you, you know, Liam Gallagher, Adidas, you know, Spezial. Gotta love it, innit? I'm so glad I got these again. I didn't pay an arm and a leg. I did not pay an arm and a leg, so that's always a good thing. But yeah, guys, like I said, this isn't a review. It's just more sort of catch up and show you, you know, what we got out here. And yeah, there we have it. Alright, beautiful people, this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crepes. I've been your boy, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P is for Padham, And yeah, this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. Please leave your comments down below, and as always, look after yourselves and each other. Peace.